Okay, so we have two ships that are located 15 nautical miles apart. The angle of ship 1 to the entrance of the port is 55 degrees with respect to ship 2. And ship 2's angle to the entrance of the port is 45 degrees with respect to ship 1. Which ship is closer to the port entrance? How far is the ship from the port? Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So, in this case, what are my three things that I'm looking at? 15, and I have two angles, 65 and 45. What are the three objects that I have? I have ship 1, I have ship 2, and I have the entrance of the port. Okay? So in this case, it's ship 1 and ship 2. I know that they are how much apart? 15 nautical miles. So I know that this is 15 nautical miles. Okay? Let's say the port is right here. So this is the port entrance, right? So it says that the angle of ship 1 to the entrance with respect to ship 2, so basically we're talking about this angle because it's from ship 1 to the entrance with respect to ship 2. So that gives you 55 degrees. Okay? And then it says that ship 2's angle to the entrance with respect to ship 1 is 45 degrees. I know this picture is not representative, but to the best of my ability. So in this case, I am looking at how far or which ship is closer to the port entrance. So what sides am I looking for? Basically, I'm looking to find this side, and I'm looking to find this side because I want to compare them. Okay? So I'm going to redraw the triangle here. I have this as 55. I have this as 15. I have this at 45. And basically, I'm going to call it whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it A, B, C. Right? So first I drew my triangle with respect to whatever ships, but now I'm going to rename it so I can work with my letters. Okay? I'm looking for side A, and I also am looking for side C later on.
Right, the 55 is more than 45, no? So we know that side is bigger than that.
That's right. We know that side A is bigger than side C. So technically you don't have to solve it, right?
Yeah.
Because you know that knowledge, but you have to prove it.
Yeah, prove
right?
it.
So you are right. So you know that your answer is going to be that ship 2 is farther away because that 55 degrees is across from it. So that's going to be the bigger side. So this is when you are actually using your brain and you are analyzing. Okay? But if I'm asking you to prove it to me, you're going to have to do the
rules, no? You already, but not brain, you have already rules.
That's right.
Which is the bigger size, bigger angle is bigger size.
That's correct. But then still, if I ask you to solve it, because I'm asking you here, how far is the ship from the port?
Yeah.
So you explained to me, right, that you know that ship 2 is going to be farther away than ship 1, right? You told me that because of the angle is bigger. But then I'm asking you how far.
How far.
Now you're going to have to solve this algebra. Okay? Now, if I want to solve this, what do I need to know? Angle B, right? If I don't have angle B, I can't solve this. Because the only side I have is this side here, right? Side. So how can I find angle B? We'll do 180 minus 45 minus 55. So that's gotta be 80 degrees. Now, since I know angle B and side B, then all what I have to do is I have to start with whatever, A if you want, okay? And say I want to solve for side A. To solve for side A, I have to do A over sine A equal to B over sine B. I don't know what side A is, but I know that angle A is 55 degrees. I know that side B is 15, and angle B is 80 degrees. So now I have to cross multiply. And that leaves me with A equals to 15 times sine 55 over sine 80. If you calculate that on the calculator, what did you get? Yep. And now I can do exactly the same thing, but now I'm looking for side C, right? So I can do C over sine C equals to B over sine B. Okay? C over sine 45 equals to 15 over sine 80. Cross multiply. And that's going to be 10.8 monopolar. Okay? So that tells me I have to conclude that ship 1 is, I'm just going to go take you back here. So side C, which is this, is basically ship 1 to the port entrance, right? So ship 1 is closer to the port entrance. Ship 1 is 10.8 nautical mile from port entrance, while ship 2 is 12.5 nautical mile from port entrance. I'll come back to this page just one second.